Good morning, good afternoon. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. Hope you're doing well and you're doing making a good money on it. There you can see it's a goal. We are just apologies for not being uploading our videos because we are basically actually we were busy on other projects what we are doing actually. So if you can see over our previous almost month or a 6 month actually we're big traders, we're just sitting on it, right? So we just wait for the bigger opportunities, big freshes on it. So we do what that what we will do with that. So yeah, so now the thing is today what we are expecting on a gold, if you can see in a 4 hour time frame, right? So there is always a get parallel level on a gold. Yeah, there you go. Give me seconds. There you go. There is a parallel channel on a gold. It's a bullish level on the right. So if you can see in a daily time frame, there is also a big rejection on that point, right? So there, but the point is, this candle is gonna decide what we are expecting on a gold. If this gonna close on up, right? So there's gold is gonna the 1810 what we are expecting and what this is the main things and the main opportunity what we are expecting on gold, right? So but now let's get back to the 1 hour. Yes, there you go. 1 hour, if you can see that there is good opportunity in a goal, what we are expecting now on a goal, right? So there is a still level, and what a deep level is, right? So there is a good this one, right? So this level gold is still apology. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, there is still rejecting on a goal, right? So rejecting on a gold on this level and at this level as well, because there is you can see, right? So yeah, now if the market is gonna close, the 1 hour time frame is 1820. You can just go and enter your trade and enjoy your wine as well. But if the trade is gonna but the most better and good opportunity is if the trade is gonna retesting this level, right? So but the bad one is just let it down. So 181011. So then enter your trade, and the 1 hour time frame is gonna close is this level. After that, then you can want to enter your trade because this is a good level. So what we are doing this because there is a lot of big projects on the behind of the projects and the total software and what we was expecting, what were after the FOMCs and the big news is that the market is going to close. This is what happened on that as well, on day as well, right? So this is you can see at a clearer picture on a gold, right? So yeah, there you go. So yeah, this was the main idea on that, right? So because there is a high rise on a gold and because due to some systems and decided some rest and the moving in a ascending parallel channel as well. So there is still resisting on it. So on the other side, if the price got rejection, if something happened and the big news is gonna smart money is gonna slow down some money on it. So then we can expect and 19180 71798. So this one this level, yeah, so then we can see the price trajectory. So what this is all about the things and what we are expecting, right? So this is the main goal, whole point on standing here, right? So yeah, this is all about that. So what's your idea on gold? Feel free to share your comments ideas in the comment box. Yeah, enjoy your morning, enjoy your day, everybody. Take care.